Welcome to day 4 of the Navratri series on Mininita. Today we're embracing the colorful and vibrant culture of Rajasthan by creating a stunning orange Ghagra Choli for Barbie, embellished with traditional Rajasthani mirror work and embroidery. To complete the look, we'll pair it with exquisite metal jewelry. Let's get started. I will embellish the Ghagra and Choli with Rajasthani mirror work. This unique craft, also known as shisha embroidery, uses small pieces of mirrors sewn into the fabric with colorful threads. Traditionally, it is believed that the mirrors repel negative energy, making it a symbolic addition to festive wear. Rajasthani mirror work, also known as shisha embroidery, is a vibrant and intricate textile art that has been an integral part of Rajasthan's rich craft heritage. This dazzling form of embroidery is characterized by small, reflective mirrors being intricately sewn onto fabric, creating beautiful sparkling designs. The art form is widely used in traditional attire, home decor, and accessories, making it one of Rajasthan's most iconic crafts. The art of mirror work is believed to have originated in Persia and was introduced to India by travelers and traders. Rajasthan, with its deep love for color and embellishment, adopted and evolved this technique into the distinctive style seen today. With the mirror work and embroidery complete, it's time to put the outfit together. Barbie's orange Ghagra Choli is ready, capturing the vibrant energy of Rajasthan. The mirrors shimmer with every movement, perfect for dancing the night away during Navratri. As I always say, no look is complete without statement jewelry. So, I am going to make some metal jewelry to complement the orange Ghagra Choli. The intricate designs of the necklace and bangles, combined with the large jhumkas, add a touch of elegance and tradition. Rajasthani jewelry is known for its bold, artistic style, often made from silver or other metals. And this look cannot be complete without some glass bangles. Rajasthani metal jewelry is a significant aspect of the state's rich cultural heritage, known for its bold designs, intricate detailing, and timeless elegance. Rajasthani jewelry is characterized by its bold and elaborate designs, often featuring intricate carvings and motifs inspired by nature, royalty, and mythology. These designs include flowers, peacocks, elephants, and gods, all etched or molded into the metal. While gold jewelry is also prevalent, Rajasthani jewelry is especially known for its use of silver. You will also find kundan, meenakari work, and tribal influence in these jewelry pieces. Now, let's get Barbie ready for the final look. The Navratri festivities in Rajasthan sees a perfect confluence of devotion, folk music, traditional dances like Garba and Dandiya Ras, and grand celebrations. The famous Jhumar dance, traditionally performed by the Bhil tribe and later adopted by the royal communities, is a highlight of Navratri celebrations in Rajasthan. The Mewar royal family of Udaipur celebrates Navratri in a grand style. The celebrations, which have been passed down through generations, include special rituals performed at the city palace and the Jagadish temple. Jodhpur, another cultural hub of Rajasthan, celebrates Navratri with traditional customs unique to the Marwari community. The city sees colorful Garba and Dandiya nights, along with grand Durga pujas in temples. Here's Barbie, dressed in her orange mirror work Ghagra Choli, ready for day 4 of Navratri. In Rajasthan, Navratri is celebrated with vibrant folk dances like Garba and Dandiya, where women dress in colorful Ghagra cholis adorned with mirror work. The sparkle of the mirrors and the rich colors of the outfit bring the festive spirit to life. Thank you for joining me on day 4 of our Navratri series. Barbie is all set to celebrate in her orange Ghagra Choli with stunning Rajasthani mirror work and embroidery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mini Nita for more festive fashion creations. See you tomorrow for another exciting look in our Navratri series.